alloy wheels, Bluetooth phone system, aluminum kick plates, CD/MP3 audio, intelligent key. Buy early. Nissan is Kentucky's #1 Nissan dealer in customer satisfaction. This brand new 2011 Nissan Altima Coupe features a 175 horsepower 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, vehicle dynamic control with traction control system, Nissan intelligent key with push-button ignition, AM Fathom per Candela audio system with auxiliary audio input, air conditioning with in-cabin microfilter, 6 standard airbags and much more. It has gone through our extensive pre-delivery inspection process, performed by our service department staff with Nissan Master Technicians. This is one of the reasons we are a proud recipient of the Nissan Owner First Award of Excellence, Nissan's highest award for outstanding customer satisfaction. Price is net of Nissan factory rebate.